Okay, here we go. Mariella, Mitzi, and Brianna on lesson 21. I hope I'm on the right lesson.
Yes.
Like I'm all over the place. Yeah, I was just trying to understand. Maybe it was my brain been studying last night, but the Excel spreadsheet sure does help quite a bit
Yes.
with this. Okay, so we want to get started with our quiz, and then maybe afterwards we can talk a little bit about our project.
Okay, this way we have to send the make inference and take action.
Right, right.
Maybe Brianna, could you put this on the drive? Just to start filling this paper.
For what?
So, which one, Mariella?
Make inference and take action. The word that is on this week.
Yeah, I was gonna look at that too. Do you guys want to do the quiz and then we can go over that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let, let's see. And then we can get the quiz out of the way. I even I missed like two quizzes while I was gone, two group quizzes. It was just so busy.
Yeah.
My
I.
mom's funeral and then my dad ended up in ICU. It's just kind of one of those crazy.
Oh wow.
I know. But thanks, Dad. Okay, got the two spreadsheets up that we need to do. um, so number 3, are you guys on? Do you guys have the quiz open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So number 3, the correlation coefficient is used to quantify. I think that would be number
Three number
3,
first.
the direction
Yes.
shape of the linear. Okay,
Relationship.
okay. And then number 4,
Um. So number 3,
The
we put the third one.
yeah, the
yeah.
direction and
Yeah.
strength of a linear.
And then the fourth one, if um,
The first one.
when one increases, the other.
The variable tends to decrease. The coefficient is negative, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, because they're both going to be up and down, positive or negative, right?
Yeah.
The number 5 is, I believe that to be false, right? Because the outliers do make a difference. Okay.
Let's see.
See,
Yeah, that's false.
yes. It's so funny. Okay, so then we have to do. So how do you guys know which one to do in the y-axis and the x-axis? Does it matter?
Ah, I make some proof. Yeah.
Okay.
The coefficient doesn't change if you put ones on the x and the other
Okay.
on the.
Okay.
Mhm.
So it's just, yeah. Okay. Correlation coefficient is R, right? I have 0.901. So
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, me too.
7 because it's positive, and it's strong because it's close to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Match the scatter plot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So I think 1 is going to be R equals 1, right?
yes, yes.
Is
It's the
4.
closest. And then 2,
Well, number 1 is -1 because of the direction it is.
I thought number 4 would be negative 1.
Yeah, I think the same. Number four. It's -1 because it's on the left, no?
because it's going downwards rather than upwards. So it's going left
4
to
is -1. Yeah.
yeah. 4 is
Yeah.
-1.
Okay.
Number one is +1,
Yeah.
and then
2, it's
two looks like it's gonna be like a 0.95.
95.
Then three is definitely gonna be the oh,
3 is
it looks like it's gonna be the zero
zero,
because it's
zero.
the one that's the most scattered, right?
Yes.
And then four is gonna be like we have that four already, and then five is gonna be the -95,
-5. 95.
and then six is gonna be the -0.6. I wish my screen were bigger so I don't have to scroll up and down. So is that what you have? Like for the first one, six, second one, two, then three, then five, then one, then four?
No, I think our orders are different.
Yeah, because I have 1, 4, 2, 5, 6, 3.
And I have something different than that. So
Oh, wait.
Or maybe it's changed for each quiz. But we need to
Oh,
have here R equal 1, it's number 1. No?
oh, I'm sorry. I went down in the order because the first one is R. On mine quiz is R is equal -0.6. And
oh,
then I put that as six. Is that what's your first one?
mine's R equals 1.
Oh, okay.
Mine says R equals 1, so I put
Mhm.
1.
Okay. And then the next one,
I
R
put 4. R
R
equals
negative
negative.
one, you put four. Okay, mine is all different, random.
Yeah,
And then
mine.
the, and then the next one is
0.95 equals 2.
okay. That's what I have.
Next, negative 95
Mhm.
equals 5.
Okay.
Negative zero point 0.6 equals
Mhm.
6.
Mhm.
Uh, it's 0 equals 3.
Okay, that's what I have too. Okay.
¿Un gato?
Okay. So for this one, correlation coefficient, I have 0.728.
7,
Yeah, that's,
0.728. Yes, yes.
Mm.
and then
Positive.
positive and strong again. Like, how close to 1 are we talking about for that? Like, is it
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
think
would think it would be positive and strong as well.
okay?
yes.
Oh, that's everything.
Yeah, that's everything today.
Yeah, no, you're right. That's really short. Okay, we did good. That's everything. 100%. Good job, ladies.
Yes, ladies. Oh my God, this is our record.
That's true. Um, so then, for our assignment this week is the inferences, right?
Yeah.
Where is it? Make inferences and take action instructions. Um, do you want me to? I can work on that one since
I
each.
shared it. I
Oh,
already
you
did
did?
it in a
Did
Google
you?
Docs and put it so it's shared.
You
Oh,
share?
okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
Yeah.
great.
So
Ah, see, I have see.
it's a
Yeah.
big write up we have to do, I think. So we all
Okay,
can work on it because there's a lot of questions.
okay, that sounds good. So I wanted to say, Mariella, can you share yours that you turned it into the Google Doc so we can be consistent with what we say?
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, but it's almost the same that Rihanna writes and
Okay.
the Excel I sent, but I will attach it now.
hmm So on our hypothesis, do we want to, so we have our hypothesis set in ANOVA already, and then we want to
Yeah.
be able to test our hypothesis because with it, because I saw the QQ plots that you use, Brianna and I mean Mariella. So even though they're piled this way, they're still normal, right? Because they still go up. Is that how I'm looking at it? Do you know what I mean? Did you guys come out that it's still normal as well? Let me pull up Mariella's.
I sent it the Excel
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, on the Excel.
and the Word also.
I think I saved it in the Google Docs too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I didn't. Did I? Let me see. Math project. Yeah, I did send it in the Google Docs. So let me just share my screen. Let me see here. So we're gonna we gotta set the level of significance as well, right?
I make a ANOVA for each country,
hmm
for each state.
Yeah, that was really good. You did all of them, right? Because that's what we're doing is we're testing each area,
Mm-hmm.
and then here are the QQ plots.
Yeah,
So we're seeing that they still go up. So we are looking at normal plus distribution plus we each had over 30 bags. So
yeah.
we so I think that that's fine to say even though the QQ plots look like this, right?
Okay. And I also I realized that, for example, in Peru,
Mhm.
there are more green MIMs, and Illinois in Hawaii there are more orange MIMs.
Mhm. So that's the variable one, two, three, four, five, six is in the order that Brianna had it in her sheet, right? The green variable
Yeah,
one would be
yeah, in
green.
the same
Okay.
order. Yes.
Okay, that was my other question. So for our where is it? So for our project then what we're saying is that how do you guys want to set the let's see. Okay, so we pretty much have all these one, two paragraphs discussing whether or not it even meets or fails requirements or your hypothesis. I think it meets it, right? You can write that down. But what do you guys want to set the alpha level to? Point one.
Sorry, let me check. Let me.
Sure.
Yeah, I was thinking point well, a 90% would be good, right?
Oh,
I
okay.
mean 99%.
Yeah, so point
Point
zero 0.01.
point zero one.
Or we could just do 95 because that's what like a lot of people use.
Okay, we'll stick with
Yes.
95 then. And then we can work out the numbers on that and our p-value and everything. But how do we so my question, so we have everything already in the ANOVA plot, right?
What we have to, yeah.
So from this point, then what we have in the ANOVA is because we have an ANOVA for each one.
Yes.
So we have to pull that together, don't we? Or do we? Because
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know if you had to do like because then your numbers would all be whack. So I don't know how you would get that unless you did color by color. But I don't know if that's the way to do it.
yeah, because our hypothesis was that the the numbers would be the same by country, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
did each country different.
Yes.
And then, yeah. So I'm wondering if we should be taking, yeah, I was trying to figure that out too. Like, how will we,
I
because right,
realized things that, for example, in Peru, in each
mm-hmm,
bag we have between 17 and 21 MIM
mm-hmm,
in each
mm-hmm,
bag. However, you have, I think, things 19 and 23
mm-hmm,
MIM in each bag.
mm-hmm,
You have the same range, and I have different range.
mm-hmm, yeah. So maybe, because this project is due when? This isn't due until Saturday. Is that what it's, let me look here.
Yeah, so we could just try
We
to get
can,
it and then talk again about it on Thursday.
yeah, we can play with it. So I guess we could do that.
Thursday, we have to send this on Thursday.
No, I think it says
Or is it due today? Or I mean,
what's his due date is 04. I think 0 because I lost my notebook. Somebody stole my bag with all my ID and my homework and my laptop.
so
So
sorry.
Oh my goodness.
it's just been crazy 2 weeks for me. So I'm like, okay, what is 04 again? So I should just look it up in my notebook. I
I
think
think just do July 15th.
okay.
July 14.
Saturday or we can just plan on Saturday. I think that's what it is.
I can join on Thursday and Friday, but Saturday for me it's difficult to join.
And we can meet again. Let's meet again on Thursday, and then we can
Mhm.
it's July 15th falls on Sunday. So I think it's
Oh, like late Saturday night is when it's due.
I think that it's late Saturday night, yes.
Like
oh
12 p.m.
12, yes, until 12.
yeah. Yeah, so let's meet Thursday, same time, then we can go over it, what we
Maybe you can
found.
join on Thursday and Friday because I am on Saturday is impossible to me because my children is at home, so.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. No
Mhm.
problem. Then, because it's one page and then we can kind of go through because I'm still trying to figure out how we're going to do that. If we combine it all together, does
Yeah.
that really make, yeah, so okay. I was trying to work on it the other day. All right, ladies. So then I guess that takes care of our broadcast for today. Oops, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. But so we'll see you guys again on Thursday.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Here.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.